In this easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful photo gallery in WordPress, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add an organized, great-looking gallery right into any post or page, so your photos will stand out and your site will look professional, without needing any special plugins or coding. Let's jump straight in. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main command center, the place where you manage everything on your website. Remember, if you ever forget how to get there, it's usually just your website address followed by /wp-admin. Now navigate to the page or post where you want your gallery to appear. You might already have an existing post in mind, maybe a travel journal or a project showcase. You can either edit that existing content, or if you're starting fresh, you can create a brand new page or post. Just click Add New and give it a title. Next comes the important part, adding the gallery block. Place your cursor exactly where you want your photos to show up within the content. Don't worry, you can always move it later if you change your mind. Look for the little plus icon in the editor toolbar, that's your block inserter. Click it, then type gallery in the search box and select the gallery block that pops up. Now here where the fun begins, choosing your images. You have two main options. If your photos are already in the WordPress media library, just select them from there. If not, click Upload and find the files directly on your computer. Take your time here, because each image you select will have a checkmark to confirm it's included in your gallery. It's totally fine if you want to mix and match, or go back to pick a couple more. Think of this as arranging photos on a digital corkboard. You're in control of how your story gets told visually. Once you've picked all your images, look for the Create a New Gallery button down in the bottom right. Give it a click. You'll see a new screen where you can really customize things. Maybe you want your vacation photo first, or you want to add a caption to explain where a picture was taken. You can drag and drop images to rearrange them and add captions or alt text, which helps with accessibility and SEO. If it feels a little overwhelming, don't worry, there's no rush. You can experiment as much as you want here. When everything looks good, just hit Insert Gallery. Your chosen area now fills with a crisp grid showing the images you selected. But before publishing, let's make sure the gallery really fits your style. With the gallery block still selected, look over at the block settings sidebar on the right. This is where you can fine-tune options like how many columns your photos appear in, whether the images should be cropped for a uniform look, and what size thumbnails to use. Try a few settings out, you'll see the changes update instantly, so you'll know right away what looks best. Finally, the last step. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish if this is a new post, or Update if you were editing an existing one. Just like that, your gallery is live for the world to see on your site. And that's it. You've just created a stylish photo gallery using only WordPress's built-in tools. If this guide helped, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.